Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today marami tayong agenda, and ang first stop natin is we are going to Dongdaemun Design Plaza. So, exit na tayo. Oh my gosh, guys. So, baka kami sa Dongdae Station from Myeongdong Station. And then, konting lakad. So, ayan, I think 5-minute walk from the station. At tanaw nyo na ang DPP. Actually guys, ito yung exit na mas malapit. So, tawid lang kayo. Then, tanaw nyo na agad tong DDP. Ayan, actually guys, may another exit to ng subway. So, pwede din doon para mas accessible. You feel like nilalamig kayo at dahil negative degrees tayo, meron silang mga ganito guys, so na you can go inside para may heater doon, so to keep you warm. Tara, let's try. Pag hindi nyo na kaya masyado yung lamig, heater kung nag-aabang kayo ng bus or whatsoever. Ayan, stay lang kayo dito. So, baba pala kami dyan, guys. Ito may subway din. Ang dami rin actually ng kainan dito. So dito guys, sa DTP Market, madami dito mga kainan. So if you wish to eat here, marami namang choices. So we're now going to the subway from here. So guys, tagusan lang to. Tagusan lang naman to. So ito na. So this is line 2. Nasa line 2 tayo. So if wala kayong T-money, you can also buy a single journey. So, punta lang kayo dito sa ticket vending and card reload device. So, all you have to do is to search for your destination, ilang number of tickets, and then merong deposit na 500. So, in our case, 3,000 yung fare namin with 1,000 deposit. Total amount is 4,000. Then later on, kapag natapos yung trip nyo, you can also refund. May refund machine din sila. Very easy lang. And then, after nyo mabayaran, just wait for the ticket. Then, you may get it. So, in our case, 2 packs. So, let's wait for the other one. Ayan. Alright. And then you change. Kung yung change after. And now, we're ready to go. You have an option to issue us a receipt or kung ayaw nyo, then okay lang. So, ayan. Line 4. So, guys, line 4 tayo. Transfer to line 4. Another baba. Sundan nyo lang yung arrows, guys. So, bilis lang naman.
Bali guys, pabalik na pala tayo ng Myeongdong.
So, sakto dito na yung train natin, guys.
Next station, Myeongdong.
Yeah, next station is Myeongdong.
So, pwede siya nakaano ito.
Please redeem your deposit after getting off.
So guys, our next stop is the Hanok Village. So malapit lang to actually sa hotel namin. So walking distance lang siya.
Ay, may Hanok Village, 90 meters. Tara din tayo, Hanok Village. 90 meters away. So guys, ito yung Daiso building. So, ilang floors yan? Tignan natin.
So it's a 12-story Daiso building.
Snowing. Snowing today. Where?
So guys, our next stop is Myeongdong Cathedral.
So, dito sa first floor, guys, meron siyang mga restaurants, kainan, CR. Yan. Okay, guys, it's snowing again. Pero konti lang, oh. Tuwang-tuwa ang bata. Oh, it's snowing. The North Face Store and Cafe.
So guys, their cafe is located at the second floor.
Asan na ano? Saan?